SafeLink Wireless now uses eSIMs, which are embedded SIM cards, for easier activation. This eliminates the need for physical SIM cards. You'll receive a QR code via the SafeLink app, email, or SMS. Scan this code with your phone to activate your service. Key requirements: you must be eligible for Lifeline based on income or participation in programs like SNAP. Your phone must be eSIM compatible. For iPhones, iOS 15.1 or later is needed, and iPhone XS models onwards are supported. For Androids, Android 10 Plus and eSIM-enabled models like Samsung Galaxy S20 and newer or Google Pixel 5 and newer. Note that carrier compatibility may vary. Using eSIMs eliminates shipping times, provides more security, and reduces waste. Download the SafeLink app or visit their website to request activation. After you have been approved, you'll get your QR code. On iPhones, go to Settings, Cellular, Add Cellular Plan. On Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, SIMs, Add SIM. Then, scan the QR code using your phone's camera. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. This usually takes 5 to 15 minutes. If you encounter issues, SafeLink's app has automated troubleshooting. Keep in mind, older Android versions or firmware may not be fully compatible. This new method is modernizing subsidized telecom services.